guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're actually going to be doing an unboxing video. As you can tell from this giant box, I've got myself an HKS sport exhaust for the car. Now, this thing has been on back order for months now. I finally got it today. So by the time you guys see this video, it's already probably weeks down the road. So just know that I got this thing a lot earlier, but I did wait months for it. And all you guys that probably have placed an order for one of these things know and feel my pain because it takes a long time. It's always on back order. I guess the demand on this exhaust is like really high, I guess. Anyways, I really wanted one of these things, and this is something that I've wanted since my very first EF build, but back in the day, you know, I can't really afford one of these things, but I can now, so I purchased one of these things. The current exhaust on my car is a Yanaka, but there's really nothing wrong with it. That exhaust probably even outperforms this one. However, this one looks a lot better, probably sounds a lot better, and you know, it just pairs nicely with the car. I really like that dual tip kind of look. So in today's video, we're gonna be opening up this box and just inspecting and making sure all the stuff that comes with the exhaust is still there and nothing is damaged from the shipping, of course. But that's basically the video. We're gonna do the installation on another day when it's nicer, probably sometime in the summer, so that we could do a sound comparison between this exhaust and this one, that kind of deal. Right now, it's really no point. It's too cold, and really don't feel like pulling my car out and doing sound clips and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna do an unboxing today. Let's get to it. All right, now let's cut open the box. Oh wow, it's very well packaged. Let me bring you guys up close and take a look. As you can see, it's really well packaged. I guess these are like, yeah, they're like foam pouchy things, but the exhaust is all buried in there. So let's start pulling it out. All right. So I'll probably repackage it like this later. So we'll just keep all the foam pieces in order. Oh wow, this is the resonator piece, I guess. A little bit of rubbing, but looks really nice. Let's set that aside. Another piece. This looks really cool too. Very nice. The machining looks really good for these flanges. Oh. And it looks like they taped the hardware to the side of the box. Right there. So again, I guess all these exhausts come with these crappy looking gaskets, but it is what it is. Nice official HKS sticker. That's very cool. And then the little muffler piece. Oh wow. Very dusty from all the foam bits, but it looks really good still. Let's set that aside. I think that's it in this box. Yeah. Sure looks like it. Don't do anything else. Alright, so let's take a look at the exhaust close up now. So here's the exhaust piece. This is the dual flange. That looks really cool. I'm just gonna keep the bubble wrap on there. Don't need to pull it off. I guess I can. Well, it's still taped on, it's protected. I'm not gonna unwrap it. That looks good. No real damage on the exhaust at all. A couple little scuffs here and there, but it's expected. It's shipping all the way from, I don't know, wherever it's coming from. For sure it's coming from the US to Canada. So if this was coming from maybe Japan to US, that's additional shipping. But there's the mid pipe and the curving pipe, as well as all the hardware, and even a user guide. So that's pretty cool. We'll be installing this stuff later. All right, everything is unboxed, and as you can see, there's the Yanaka one on top that's installed in the car right now, and here's the HKS. I still love that dual tip look. It's like the factory SI, but more sportier. As you can see, that's the differences only. I mean, this piping is actually smaller than the Yanaka one. The Yanaka one actually performs and sounds great. I have no complaints about the Yanaka one, but I just really wanted the HKS one. So this may decrease performance, but you know, I don't know. It doesn't really matter. This car doesn't go really fast anyways, but there it is. Everything unboxed. There you go, guys. That was a quick unboxing video of my new HKS exhaust. I can't wait to install it in the summer and show you guys how it sounds. Anyways, that's basically it for this video. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.